Ever wonder how AI knows when it's really unsure? Like why a self-driving car might pause when it sees a weird object on the road, or why a medical AI might hesitate before diagnosing something rare. The answer lies in a hidden superpower, uncertainty estimation. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough called TULiP, a method that helps AI systems recognize when they're out of their depth, without needing to retrain from scratch. Let's start with the basics. Neural networks are like smart students who have studied a specific set of topics. When they encounter a question outside their preparation, they might guess. But how do we know when they're just bluffing? That's the heart of out-of-distribution, OOD, detection, identifying inputs that don't fit the model's training data. Traditional methods often rely on guesswork or brute force, but TULiP takes a smarter approach. Here's the twist. TULiP doesn't just look at the final answer. It simulates what-if scenarios by slightly tweaking the model's parameters, like giving the student a tiny nudge in their notes. By observing how these small changes affect predictions, TULiP gauges the model's confidence. The key. It uses a mathematical trick called linearization, which simplifies the complex training process into something manageable. Think of training a neural network like baking a cake. The recipe, architecture, and ingredients data matter, but so does the temperature learning rate. TULiP analyzes how sensitive the cake is to minor adjustments in the recipe. If a tiny tweak causes a big change in the outcome, the model is uncertain. This method doesn't need the original training data, just the finished model, making it super practical. The results? TULiP outperforms existing methods, especially for data that's almost like the training set but not quite. This matters because real-world data is messy. Whether it's a self-driving car spotting an unfamiliar obstacle or a doctor's tool flagging an unusual symptom, TULiP helps AI systems stay safe by admitting when they're unsure. But how does TULiP actually measure uncertainty? Let's get technical. At its core, it leverages test-time uncertainty estimation, a framework that monitors how stable a model's predictions are as it processes new data. This is where kernel matrices come in. They act like a model's sensitivity radar. If a tiny change in input, like a pixelated image, causes the AI's answer to swing wildly, the radar lights up. To formalize this, researchers turn to Grönwall's inequality, a mathematical superhero that sets a speed limit for uncertainty. Imagine your AI is driving down a road. Grönwall's inequality says, hey, you can't suddenly swerve 100 miles per hour unless there's a really good reason. It keeps the model from overreacting to tiny input changes, unless the data itself is truly unpredictable. Here's where the math gets elegant. TULiP ties this to the Gram matrix, a tool that measures how similar data points are. The largest eigenvalue in this matrix, lambda-max, acts like a confidence meter. If predictions align with training data, lambda-max is small. But if the data is messy or the model is stretching its limits, lambda-max spikes, and so does the uncertainty. To simplify the mind-bending matrix math, TULiP uses the Frobenius norm, a clever shortcut that acts like a GPS through a labyrinth of equations. This lets researchers track how small input changes ripple through the model, giving it a way to flag when it's stepping into the unknown. Why does this matter? Let's go back to the self-driving car. If it's 99% sure a pedestrian is there, it slows down. But if it's only 50% sure, it needs to know it's uncertain, maybe even alert a human. This research gives models that self-awareness, making AI safer and more reliable. So what's next? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, tools like TULiP will be crucial for building systems that aren't just smart, but wise, knowing when to trust their instincts and when to ask for help. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. What's one AI task you'd love to see improved with better uncertainty estimation? Next time you see an AI making a decision, remember, behind the scenes, there's a whole world of math ensuring it doesn't just predict, it understands when it's wrong. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.